Ate, you like that one? Yeah, you like? You like that? You like? Ah, like it? No like. You don't like? Lala! Lala, come! Lala! 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 Come here! Lala! 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 Lala, come here! Come! Lala! 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 Come here! Lala! Why are you looking at me? I will not give you treats. Lala! Only Olive. Olive! Come! Olive! Come! Go inside! Olive! Olive! Why you like that one? Olive! Only Lahati likes. Ate, you cannot reach that one. You go inside. Come on. You go. Go inside. Dali. Oh, Lala going. Lala. Lala. Ay! Kaya? Ay! Aya! Look at Lala. Go inside. Lala, hi. You like it? Huh? Lala? You like? Like it? Ay! Oh. Lati. Lati.
Report any movements immediately. Yes, my lord. One more thing. I also found out that the Wen family has a slave who looks exactly like Princess's third brother. But with so many facial scars, it's hard to confirm. Regarding this, tell Princess later. Consider it my thanks for her treatment.
Oy, that's my head. Oh, ang cute-cute naman ni Lala. 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 Hi. Hi.
What are you overthinking?
Lala. Aha.
Could it be
Hi, Lala.
I'm
Hi,
really
Lala.
about you?
Lala, hi. Hi.
Brother,
Where you go?
sister, what are you doing here?
You go back.
What happened? You look
You
so
go back.
happy, Sidiga. You still don't know?
You go
The
back.
surgery you did on the Wen family's young madam to deliver the child has spread throughout Xinjiang. Now, all
Dali,
of
go back.
Shenzhen is full of praise for you.
Go back inside.
That's right. As expected of my sister. You're amazing.
Really? That's great. This way. The nobles of Shenzhen
Where do you
will know
go?
us.
Hi, Lala. Lati. Hi. Ano sinisilip mo dyan? Lati. Si Lala. Lala, bakit may battle dyan, Lala? Who bring the battle there? Where you go? Where you go? Ah. Where you go? Lala. La. Huh? What? What's that? Latte. Where you go, Latte? No more bird? Oh, buksan niya pala to. Lang yung pusa to. Buksan niya. Ayaw mo na manood ng bird? Si Lala na lang? Lala? La? La? Lala? La? Oh. What are you looking at? Where you go? Latte, I will throw that now. It's all broken. You will miss it? You don't have a scratcher now. Not too much this one to play. Oh. Okay, scratch all before I throw. Scratch all. Finish all. Now finish all. Ala. Papa baby ka na naman. Ha? Nagpapa baby na naman ang pusa. Papa baby. Nagpapa baby. Eh. Sira ulo ka talaga, Lala. Ay, ikaw na nga ang ano eh. Ayaw mo pa magpa-scratch ng iyong tummy. Kana, up. Ay, taas mo yung paa mo. Dali. Scratch your this one. Ayaw mo. Bahala ka. Papa, baby ka. Tapos ano, tingnan mo naman. Oo. Papa, baby ikaw. Ha? Papa, aray ko. Tolos-tolos ng kuko mo. Awan, talas-talas na. I will cut your nails. I will cut that one. I'll cut it. I'll cut it. I will cut it. I'll cut. Tingnan mo. Dami ng balahibo. I will cut. Pasaway ka. Pasaway na po sa. Hindi mo, gumaganti pa. Gumaganti pa. Latte. Hi, Latte. How are you, Latte? Hi. Hi. Hi, Latte. Hindi pa si Latte mabait. Mabait si Latte. Na, Latte? Mabait ikaw, no? Ito, hindi mabait ang pusa to, eh. Matungit. Malambing na masungit. Me. Ha?
If that's what you want,
Latte, why are you calling me? Latte. Ay. Hi, Olive. Where's Lala?
as long as we offer fair prices, she'll definitely come back to us.
Where's
if she has
Lala?
the food. I looked into her.
Where's Lala?
She
Hi.
a Xinjiang
Lala is
University student.
there.
Her stepmother owed
What are you
$3
doing
million
there,
in debt
Lala?
and ran away.
Lala.
Debt collectors rolled the
Lala.
debt to $30 million.
Lala.
Brother and hid
Lala.
leaving her
Hi.
alone to run a small
Si Lala
$3 million
nandun.
rolled up to $30 million.
What are you doing there, Lala?
Behind this.
Lala.
He works
Lala.
for second uncle. Yes.
You wanna close this one, oh?
This girl is not ordinary. A shame.
Lala.
Get in touch with her.
Lala.
Also, keep an
Are you
eye
going
on
inside,
jail
Lati?
walls.
Are you? Go, go, go.
Don't let them kill anyone. I understand.
Lati, go. Here go, Lati.
Well,
Lati, go.
if it isn't you,
Go with Lala.
who's up
to her On.
neck in debt.
Why you go outside?
Good thing I dumped you, or I'd have even dragged down too.
Hi, Lala.
For our old relationship,
Lala.
come work as a cleaner at my company.
Lala.
I'll pay you $2,000 a month.
Tapos ikaw
How
dyan.
generous is that?
Dali. Lala.
Digging Beach. You live
Lala.
looking up to rich women. How can you
Lala,
make me a
come out.
salary? Forget it. It's not easy for you to see
Ay.
others. You should keep that little money for your kidney time.